Did you know, Ecuador may be a small country but it is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It is home to the famous Galapagos Islands, where giant tortoises, marine iguanas and many other unique animals live nowhere else on the planet. Ecuador is also home to the magnificent Cotopaxi volcano and a huge part of the Amazon rainforest, filled with powerful rivers and incredible wildlife. From volcanic islands to endless jungles, Ecuador is truly one of South America's greatest natural wonders. Subscribe for more amazing places around the world. Did you know, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is home to the world's second-largest rainforest after the Amazon? This incredible land is filled with amazing wildlife, including mountain gorillas, okapis and many other rare animals. It is also home to Mount Nyiragongo, famous for having one of the world's largest lava lakes. And flowing through this vast wilderness is the mighty Congo River, one of the most powerful rivers on Earth. The Congo is truly one of Africa's greatest natural wonders. There is a place in Cape Verde where the ocean looks like a giant glowing blue eye. This is Buricona, one of the island's most amazing natural wonders. When sunlight enters a hidden underwater cave, the water shines with a bright blue color that looks exactly like an eye. Surrounded by volcanic rocks and the Atlantic Ocean, this mysterious place attracts visitors from all over the world. Subscribe for more amazing places like this. Did you know, there is an island in the Bahamas with a beach made of pink sand? This is Harbor Island, one of the most beautiful places in the Caribbean. Its famous pink color comes from tiny marine organisms and broken coral mixed with white sand. Along with its clear blue water, palm trees and peaceful island life, this place attracts visitors from around the world. Subscribe for more amazing places like this. Did you know, there is an ancient fortress in Afghanistan that has stood for more than 2,000 years? This is the Herat Citadel, one of the country's most important historical landmarks. Over the centuries, it has been damaged, rebuilt and ruled by many empires. Even today, its massive walls and towers tell the story of Afghanistan's rich and fascinating past. Subscribe for more amazing places like this. Did you know, there is a colorful geyser hidden in the Nevada desert that looks like it belongs on another planet? This is Fly Geyser, one of the strangest places in the United States. It was accidentally created in 1964 when a well drilled into geothermal water was left uncovered. Over time, minerals built up and formed this amazing rainbow-colored structure. Even today, hot water and steam continue to flow from it. Subscribe for more amazing mysteries like this. Did you know, there is a temple in India that was carved from a single giant rock. This is the Kailasa Temple of Ellora, one of the most incredible ancient structures in the world. It is believed to have been built in the 8th century and dedicated to Lord Shiva, but the biggest mystery is how an entire mountain was cut from top to bottom to create this masterpiece. Even today, it continues to amaze historians and visitors from around the world. Subscribe for more mysteries like this. Thanks for watching.
There is a hidden cave in Mexico filled with giant crystals that look like something from another planet. This is the famous Nika mine. Scientists believe these massive crystals took hundreds of thousands of years to grow in extremely hot, mineral-rich water. Even today, very few people can safely enter this incredible place. Subscribe for more mysteries like this. Do you know, there is a place in China where mountains look painted by nature. These colorful mountain ranges stretch for miles across the landscape. Known as the Rainbow Mountains, they were formed over millions of years. But why do they have so many colors? Different minerals inside the rocks created layers of red, yellow, orange and other natural shades. Over time, wind and rain exposed these layers to the surface. And that's how nature created one of the most extraordinary landscapes on Earth. Subscribe for more mysteries like this.
Switzerland is a country where life and nature exist in perfect harmony. In the quiet countryside, small villages are surrounded by green fields and open meadows, where cows graze peacefully and life moves at a slow, natural pace. Deep within the valleys, wildlife still lives freely. Deer, birds, and mountain animals move through untouched landscapes far away from crowded cities. Towering above it all, the Swiss Alps rise into the sky, covered in clouds and endless green beauty, creating one of the most breathtaking mountain views on Earth. Crystal clear rivers flow through rocky paths, turning into powerful waterfalls that echo across the mountains. This is Switzerland, a place where nature feels truly alive.
Far from the modern world, there is an island that looks almost alien, Socotra, located in the Arabian Sea. This isolated island is home to some of the strangest plants found anywhere on Earth. The most famous is the dragon blood tree, with its giant umbrella shape and mysterious red sap. Because Socotra remains separated from other lands for millions of years, many of its plants evolved in completely unique ways. Some scientists say it is one of the most unusual places on the planet, and when you see it for yourself, it feels less like Earth, and more like another world.
Rising high above the clouds, Mount Roraima is one of the most unusual mountains on Earth. Its massive vertical cliffs make it look like a lost world hidden from the rest of the planet. Scientists believe this ancient plateau is nearly 2 billion years old. On its summit are strange rock formations, crystal clear pools, and unique plants found nowhere else, because it remained isolated for millions of years. Many people call it Earth's lost world. Even today, Mount Roraima continues to fascinate explorers and researchers from around the world. Subscribe for more amazing discoveries.
Deep within the deserts of Jordan, lies one of the most incredible ancient cities ever built, Petra. More than 2,000 years ago, an entire civilization carved magnificent structures directly into solid rock. The most famous of them all is the Treasury, a masterpiece that still amazes visitors today. But Petra is more than just a beautiful monument. Inside its stone walls are ancient chambers, hidden pathways, and traces of a lost world. Even after centuries, Petra remains one of history's most fascinating mysteries. Subscribe for more amazing discoveries.
Imagine walking through a forest and discovering a waterfall, but hidden behind the flowing water is a real flame. This incredible place is called Eternal Flame Falls, one of the rarest natural wonders on Earth. The secret lies beneath the rocks where natural gas slowly rises to the surface, feeding a small but steady flame. Even with water flowing around it, the fire continues to burn, creating a breathtaking sight that seems almost impossible. One of nature's most amazing mysteries. Subscribe for more discoveries.
Imagine sailing across the ocean when suddenly your compass stops working. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the Atlantic Ocean surrounded by mystery for decades. Ships and aircraft have vanished here, leaving behind questions that still fascinate the world. Some believe the answer lies in powerful storms. Others think unusual natural phenomena are responsible. But even today, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most famous mysteries on Earth. What do you think is hiding there? Subscribe for more amazing discoveries.
Walking across the frozen wilderness of Antarctica and suddenly discovering what looks like a bleeding glacier. This incredible phenomenon is known as blood falls. At first glance, it looks like blood flowing across the ice, but the truth is just as fascinating. Deep beneath the glacier lies water rich in iron. When that water reaches the surface and meets oxygen, it turns a deep red color, creating one of the most mysterious and breathtaking sights on Earth. Blood falls, a natural wonder hidden in the icy heart of Antarctica. Subscribe for more amazing discoveries.
Mount Kailash, one of the most mysterious and sacred mountains in the world. Located in the Himalayas, its peak remains untouched and unconquered to this day. Surrounded by clouds and extreme weather, it is believed to be a divine place by many ancient cultures. Some say it holds spiritual energy beyond human understanding. Even today, Mount Kailash remains one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. Subscribe for more amazing world discoveries. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a hidden world full of life and mystery. Colorful fish move gracefully through vibrant coral reefs, creating a breathtaking underwater paradise. Massive schools of fish swim together in perfect harmony, as if performing a dance of nature. The deep sea is home to countless species, many of which have never been fully studied. Even today, much of the ocean remains unexplored, hiding fascinating secrets waiting to be discovered. Subscribe for more amazing ocean facts. The blue morpho butterfly is one of the most beautiful butterflies in the world. Its wings shine with a bright metallic blue color that reflects sunlight like a mirror. When it sits still, it can blend into the shadows of the rainforest. But when it flies, brilliant flashes of blue appear between the trees. These colors are not paint, but the result of light reflecting off its wings. This butterfly moves gracefully through the dense tropical forest. Nature has created one of its most stunning living artworks. Subscribe for more amazing nature facts. Giant pandas are among the most loved animals in the world. Even though they belong to the bear family, they spend most of their day eating bamboo. An adult panda can eat up to 38 kilograms of bamboo in a single day. Despite their large size, pandas are excellent climbers and can even swim. Baby pandas are incredibly small at birth, weighing only a tiny fraction of their mother's weight. These gentle animals spend most of their lives eating, resting, and exploring bamboo forests. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.